Buenos días, estudiantes. Mi nombre es Omar Valdés Rocha y soy profesor de lenguas en el Central College. Welcome to Spanish 1412. This video is an introduction to the course. I will discuss the syllabus and I will discuss the course calendar. This is one of 3 videos that you need to watch that have been made by me, and there are many other videos that you should be watching on our first day of classes so that you get acquainted with not only eCampus but our online homework website. So the course is Spanish 1412, that's beginning Spanish 2, and this course is going to be done online. Again, my name is Omar Valdez Rocha, and my preferred method of contact is via email. Give me around 48 hours to respond to your emails, and I'm usually pretty good with those. It's usually way less than that. But if I haven't responded to you in 48 hours, just send me a reminder and I'll make sure to get back to you. My email address is right here on the front page. It's orvaldez@dcccd.edu, 3 C's. I'm not on campus this semester, but if you need to talk to me, you can either send me an email or you can set up an appointment and we can meet via Skype. My Skype ID is Omar A. Valdez. And just email me and we can set up a time that's convenient for you. So this is the second semester of Academic Transfer Spanish, and this course continues the oral practice, reading, writing, grammar, and cultural studies that we began in Spanish 1411. Okay? And I ask you to read the syllabus carefully regarding the student outcomes, regarding the objectives of the course, and it is, like I said, a continuation of our first semester Spanish. For your course materials, you will be using the VHL Supersite. This is the Vista Higher Learning Supersite for Portales, which is the textbook that we will be using in our class. Make sure that all of your materials, that you get them through our Supersite website, specifically made for our class, for our college, because not only do they have discounts, these are the only places that you can get the online access to your homework. So make sure that if you're getting a used copy of the textbook, for example, you also need to get an online access to the website, and the website already includes a digital copy of the textbook. So make sure that you get the online access, and if you want a loose copy of the textbook, they also sell one for $32, I believe. Okay, so with the course materials, you have the choice of purchasing 6 months, 12 months, 24 months of access to the Supersite. And it all depends on how many courses you will be taking with us. If this is your only course that you'll be taking, then you should take the 6 months. If you're taking 2 courses, usually people take the 12 months because there's no way to extend on your account. Once you purchase that access to your account, you cannot extend the months of access. So you have to be very careful when you pick the period that you're purchasing, either 6, 12, or 24 months. And it all depends if you're continuing to take Spanish with us at El Central College. We use the same textbook, Portales, for all 4 semesters of Spanish. So if you have 2 more classes, then the 12 months or the 6 months, because we do have summer courses and we have wintermester courses. So you have to plan before deciding which selection you will make. Sometimes, this, I think it's around $100 accessing the 6-month period. So if you don't have that money right now, we have a grace period of 2 weeks. So what you need to do is watch the videos that explain everything. When you go to start here, it'll explain how to sign up for our class, and it'll explain to you how to get the 2 week grace period. And I will also send you an email about that later on today. Let me see. Regarding our grade calculation, the assignment will total a maximum of 750 points. You will do activities and you will submit activities in 2 different websites, the Supersite website and eCampus. In the Supersite website, you will submit activities for every chapter that we cover. That's chapter 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that's 100 points each, so that's quite a lot. That's already 500 points of your grade. The other 200, the other 250 will come from doing 2 compositions in Spanish, for doing discussions in English, a cultural discussion, a critical thinking discussion, about me discussion, and academic honesty discussion, and a reflective paper. A reflective paper with a PowerPoint, and also a peer review assignment, which I will explain to you as those assignments approach. So if you get 775 points all the way to 750, you will get an A in the class. If you get 600 to 674, you will get a B, and so forth. And these are the percentages for the grades. The assignments, again, they are on eCampus and on the Supersite. And make sure that your only assignment for Tuesday is to create an account on our Vista Higher Learning Supersite by following the instructions on the videos, and requesting, either purchasing your access or requesting the grace period and those videos on how to access explain every step of the way how to get your 2 grace period. Okay? So I ask that you continue to look over the syllabus and that you read it carefully, because it's got some important information. The other file I wanted to discuss with you is the course calendar. Assignments are due at midnight every day as shown on the calendar. So not every day, but every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Sunday. You will have most days, not all of them, but most days, most Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, you will have something due. All assignments are available, so you can finish the course as quickly as you like. Students are required to work a minimum of 3 days ahead to prepare for unforeseen events. Because no late work is accepted, you need to prepare in case of if something happens. So that is very important. Me as an instructor, we have no control over those deadlines. Those deadlines have been set by the Department of Languages. So make sure that you are printing this calendar, that when you're at that Supersite, your work is outlined in a calendar format. So make sure that you are following and you're visiting that calendar every day, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at least, so that you know what is due. I try and send you some announcements to remind you of major assignments that are coming due with brief explanations, but most everything has instructions and is explained. So don't expect an email from me every time something is due, but I make a habit of sending you a couple of emails here and there to remind you. Okay, so just as a reminder, there is no late work accepted for the class. No makeup work is allowed. per the departmental policy. If for some reason we need to change something in the syllabus, I say specifically, not the syllabus itself, but specifically the course calendar, I take that right so that it's maybe something that we need more time on. So I will change maybe assignments, assignment due dates, specifically those on eCampus, because those are the big ones. The assignments highlighted in blue are to be completed at any campus, and the assignments in peach are completed at the super site. So as you can see, mostly you will be working on the super site, and here and there you will see the blue where you will begin some work on the eCampus assignments. And that's it for this video. There are questions about the super site, I understand. There are questions about how to sign up. All of those questions will be answered in the videos about the super site, so make sure that you go back to start here and look at those videos for more information on how to access our super site for our class. Okay, well, thank you so much, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Welcome to the course.